Hello everybody, my name is Serdar. Today we are going to learn how to join text in Google Sheets. There are several ways to do this job. Let's take a look at this first table. We have first names in one column and we have last names in another column. And we want both first names and last names in one column only. To do this, I need this symbol which we call ampersand. Let's take a look at how it works. Come to this cell, type in the equal symbol, select the name, which is in the cell B4, and ampersand, and select the last name, and press enter. Now we have the name and the surname in one column. But as you see, there is no space between the name and its surname. So let's make some corrections in this formula. Delete this. Okay. Again, type in the equal symbol, select the name, ampersand. Now open the double quote, space, close the double quote, again ampersand, and now the last name, and press enter. And as you see, now we have our space between the name and the surname. Let's take a look at this formula. Here we have the cell which contains the name, then ampersand, then we have a space. It must be written in these double quotes. Do not forget to write. Then ampersand again, and then the cell which contains the last name. Okay. Now let's drag it down. Okay. Now another way of joining text is using a formula which we call concatenate. Okay. In the same way, let's come to this cell, type in the equal symbol, and type in the formula concatenate. Here we get it, concatenate. Select this, comma, open the double quote, press space, close the double quote, comma, and then select this last name, close the bracket, and press enter. And here we get the same result. Sophia Smith, Sophia Smith. Drag it down, and that's all. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down in the comments section below. Thanks and goodbye.